Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Odyssey. My name's Jason and today we're going to be analyzing Bitcoin on the 4-hourly and the weekly time frame. Now, I did just record this video about 5 minutes ago and the whole thing was a kerfuffle. For some reason, the overlay or the screen wasn't sharing properly and it was just a kerfuffle essentially. But let's get out of the weekly here. Let's jump onto the 4-hourly. And we still have all my information here, so let's just screw that. If you remember, yesterday, I was calling for this ascending triangle to break out to the upside. And that is what we saw. However, what the market likes to do, of course, because it's crypto and it's not without its problems and volatility, we had a fake out. Now, the market likes to punish, it likes to fool the most amount of people. We saw price come down. People are thinking, oh, it's going to break to the downside. And then it got swept up, swallowed, and now we're making a move to my resistance level. As of right now, testing my resistance of 88,291, which we can see based off the circles that I have drawn up here. It is a significant level. We also have on the 4-hourly MACD momentum stepping in. We've got green bars that are increasing in size. This one now considerably larger than the prior. This is great news, guys. This is positive momentum stepping into the market, momentum to the upside. Now we need to break this resistance level, because if we don't, what we might see over the next couple of days is price bounce between these two levels, because as you can see with my blue circles here, these have also been places of resistance. Hopefully we can switch that into places for support. However, I don't know, maybe this thing just flies through, guys, because let's jump onto that weekly time frame and just look at this. Guys, come on. Come on. This is a textbook uptrend. And you know what they like to say? The trend is your friend until the very end. I've been telling you this. I haven't been telling you this because I just made this channel about 2-3 days ago. But I've been telling people around me in my immediate environment that the market is not over. We are in a bull market. We're not going to see a bear market anytime soon until we break this trend line, confirm it as resistance, and then nosedive into Dante's Inferno. However, I don't think that's going to happen, because right now we are seeing Bitcoin flying 88K, 88.5K. We are testing resistance. Now, let's not get too excited, because we still need to confirm this as support before we move up to the upside. Since we have broken out of this downward trend, we are now confirming a reversal. This low right here, is potentially the low. I'm making that call because, why am I making that call? Just go on to the stochastic RSI. Look at this. We have a weekly stochastic RSI, which the last time we saw that was back here, which marked, well, here was the low, but we didn't see price go down again below that. I think we're getting above that 30 level. I think the low is in. Personally, I think the low is in. It was at 74K, exactly where our previous high was. You can't make this stuff up, guys. We're just playing the levels. I think the low is in, and I think that price in the short term is likely to move till about that 95K level. Let's just get onto the daily quickly so I can see. Yep, exactly around 94, 95. I think this is where we're going to be going next, if we can confirm this 88K level as support. If not, price is going to jump between, let's just go back to this. Price will either bounce between this region here, between 88K and 86K, or if we break above 88K and confirm it as support, then price is likely to make a move to 94K, and then we'll, dance around that section, do the salsa as Bitcoin likes to do. Guys, patience is the strongest virtue to have in this market as of right now. If you've been patient during this 90-day or so downtrend, yep, about 92 days. If you've been patient and you haven't been sleeping, you've been watching these markets like a hawk, just like I have, you're laughing now because potentially the low is in. Of course, do not bet the bank on this. None of this is financial advice. This is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please do give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell icon, and I'll be coming back with more videos on Bitcoin, XRP, any other cryptocurrencies that you would like me to analyze. Perfectly fine. Just drop it down in the comment section below. I'm also going to be showcasing some really interesting indicators. These are not my personal indicators. These are indicators that I've purchased that I have found a lot of success with. Typically, they are longer term indicators and they really are something. So have a wonderful bank holiday. Peace out.